Hello you guys. So guess what this is? So this is my big old honkin' order, the one that's on my Insta story with Lush hauls, and you see that big long list. I took a picture of my order, and yeah, that's this package. So now I'm going to open it and do a haul video for you folks from Lush Labs. Okay, the things I did not get that are coming in a second box apparently are the sea vegetable soap. I got a Drop of Hope gourmet soap, the Not Sleepy shower balm, 2 of the Sleepy shower balms, 1 of the Koyona Scotzi shower balms, and 2 of the little bottle of Calm shower balms. Those are apparently coming in another box. So I'll share what I do have in this one today. Here's a bath bomb, and this one is called Under the Umbrella Tree. Isn't it cute? And this one has their Breath of God fragrance to it. So it's kind of fresh, kind of green, kind of earthy, but airy at the same time. And so let me show you Brave, and these are mouthwash tabs, new and exclusive from the Lush Labs. So I will be doing a review here and using them in just a moment, so keep watching. And then oh my gosh, and then now I bought these knowing that they might melt on the way over here. That's what I do. I buy them anyway because I'm fucking crazy, okay? I do that. I've done that for 17 years. I buy the stuff knowing that it might melt so I can review it for you guys because I'm nuts. Okay, so I'm going to open this now because this should have the new. Oh, look, it has like a little top to it, like a little, I like that, like a little top, and then you take that off, and then it has these below it. Oh my gosh, so let me see. So here's the yellow one, okay. Here's the yellow one. I hope it doesn't pop. Oh my God. There's the yellow one. Ooh, I can smell it. It smells good. It smells kind of citrusy but herbal. I don't know if I'm supposed to smell anything necessarily because the product's inside, but I did smell a little something. I'm going to get the blue one out now. God, I hope I don't pop anything. Okay, and there's the blue one. It looks so pretty, right? And that's what it looks like. I'm just going to hold it in my hand. I have no idea what I'm doing as far as how to hold it or anything. So if it pops right here on camera. So far so good. It reminds me like when you're cooking, you know, and you handle an egg yolk, and that's why it's so like, you know, you're afraid to use it because you're afraid it's going to break like an egg yolk. But it has a little bit thicker membrane on it than an egg yolk. Not a lot thicker, but. And then, oh, this one. I can't smell this yet. This one is made with the Love fragrance. And it seems to be sweeter than the yellow one. The yellow one's kind of zesty. Here's the green one. It's so pretty. Ooh, that's probably the one I'll use first. I can't smell it. It seems to have like a green scent. So those are the atmospheres, and these are shower shower oil. Nope, sorry, not shower oil. It's a shower gel. Sorry. Okay, back to the video. I'm going to show you how to pop it here. Boom. That's all you do, and it comes out. Now, they say it's good for one use, but this is 2 uses if you ask me. And the shower gel is nice and thick, like a really good thick shower gel. Now I'm going to use it at the sink and show you how it lathers really well. It's like a really good, this is how we wanted the naked shower gels to lather. This is just the stuff left over inside the little. Oh, and let me show you what it looks like when all the shower gel's used up. This is how it looks like empty, the little protective coating. And it's like empty. So that's what it looks like when you're all done, and that's all that goes. You can throw it down the plug hole because it's biodegradable, or you can throw it in the trash can, either one. So yeah, rinses off good, works well, smells great. It's kind of limeish, but kind of green notes too. This is the Little Pot of Energy Naked Body Lotion. Now, as you recall, Lush made one other naked body lotion, and that was for Christmas 2017, and that one was of a Once Upon a Time lotion, it's called, and it was the naked version, and it looked just like this, but it was green. This is a completely different scent. This one's yellow, which I actually like. I like it. It's very citrusy. It's not too sweet at all. It's more fresh and citrusy. Orange, grapefruit. That's kind of what I smell. So it actually smells good to me. And it doesn't have like a really excessively oily feel like the Once Upon a Time lotion did. When I reviewed and did the video review and demo of the Once Upon a Time lotion for Christmas, I noted that I didn't really like it as much as the regular non-naked version because it was very oily consistency, whereas this one is not. It's more of a drier kind of base, which is nice. And so that one is Little Pot of Energy. Here is the Spinning Plates Bubble Spinner. And it's more floral. It's made with orange flower and lemongrass. Now me and my pink hand are going to try one of these mouthwashes. It says, wash the fear out of your mouth with clove bud, Brazilian orange, and menthol crystals. I love clove. It says, how to use. After brushing with toothy tabs, pop one of these mouthwash tabs into your mouth and take a sip of water to start the fizz. Nibble and swish before spitting out. Use any time for oral refreshment. In ancient China, courtiers chewed cloves to chase the fear from their mouths. Don't be afraid to speak your own truths. I like that. So this has orange oil, tangerine, and clove bud oil, and also menthol crystals. So I have my water right here. So they're in those triangular shapes. I'm gonna put it in my mouth. Ooh, I like it. Ooh. Orange clove. Let me go get some water. I liked it. I do. Keep in mind, I like oranges a lot. Those of you that have been following me for years know that one of my favorite scents is peeling an orange. So keep that in mind. And I also like cloves, and like cloves, cinnamon, those kinds of real strong spices. So keep that in mind. I like that taste. And it feels sweet, somewhat minty, and like orange, not too much clove. It's mostly orange, but there's just enough of that clove spice. It's tasty, and my mouth actually does feel quite good right now and refreshed. So okay, we'll talk to you guys on the next video when I get my second part of my order. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye bye.